another Steelers analogy, and Kenneth Gainwell made this incredible catch. It's worth finding on YouTube to watch, especially if you're a football fan. If you're Steelers, not a fan of the Steelers, you might not want to watch it. But Kenneth Gainwell had this incredible catch. The ball comes from Aaron Rodgers, and he sticks out his arm and is able to cradle the catch and then gets up because in football, if you weren't tackled, then you can get up and go. And so the guy had kind of out of bounds and right next to him, and he gets up, he goes, and he scores a touchdown because he had the presence of mind, right? He was paying attention. He was really aware. How many times are we on autopilot? How many times do we get stuck in these ruts and these grooves and we're not fully present? The present moment is our point of power to change. I have started meditating again. That was a big goal for me for this year, and hopefully I'm going to stick with it. I'm starting off itty bitty and hopefully want to get to about 20 or 30 minutes a day, but I'm starting where I am. So where is it that you need to become more present? Where is it you have the presence of mind? Where is it really important for you to be fully aware? Let me know. When you clear your clutter, you can create a life and home you love.